Would our eyes pop out if we sneezed with them open? This is a question many people wonder about. So what's the truth? Actually, our eyes closing when we sneeze is a completely involuntary reflex. Our eyes automatically shut during a sneeze, but not to prevent them from popping out. When we sneeze, there's a lot of pressure in our body, but don't worry. Our eye muscles and eye sockets are designed to withstand this pressure, so our eyes stay firmly in place no matter what. In short, even if you manage to keep your eyes open while sneezing, they wouldn't pop out. It's just an urban legend. Don't forget to follow us for more interesting facts like this one.